Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's a different environment, different situation, and I thought, well, let's make a vlog and show you the experience here. North Texas has been hit by a winter storm, and right now it's snowing slash sleeting, but I feel like it's more of a snow than anything. Well, actually, it's sleety. Here you can see it's pretty wide here. And in the morning, all this was ice. You can see here right now, it was ice here, right? You see here, it's ice here, so the driving conditions are pretty bad. But we'll go check out on the streets and see if we can hit the road and how the conditions will be and if people are out there or not. سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. It's Saturday today, and around 1 p.m. this road it's packed. But as you can see, there's no one on this road, pretty empty. People are staying indoors, which is a really good thing. So don't get me wrong. It's a really good thing people are staying indoors. It's safe, staying warm. All right, so we arrived here at Walmart, and it seems like it's empty compared to any other time. Yes, people are out still there getting last minute groceries, but it's pretty empty. Welcome to Texas. This is Texas. Whenever anything happens like that, it shuts down. I don't really blame them. It's just because we don't have that infrastructure, because it happens once in a year. It's been happening once in a year for the last couple of years, but it's a rare occurrence, so I don't really blame it. But yeah, it's sometimes really nice to see empty roads, people are inside safe. Right, but just be careful. So it's cool outside, but if you're layered up correctly, you should be good to go. We'll go towards the interstate. It's just like half a mile away from here. We'll take a drone footage and see how the traffic is on the interstate, if people are outside or not. But yeah, it seems like a pretty quiet day. Right now it's not too bad. It's gonna get worse at night because temperatures, of course, it's gonna drop, and we're expecting more snow. So we'll see how that goes. But so far so good. Enjoying this quietness. It seems like grocery stores and Walmart and all of those big merchants, they're open. So it's business as usual for them. Kind of sucks for them because they have to be out driving in just bad conditions, but it's life. It's not great for everyone. So if you're one of those who are staying inside and staying warm, be thankful for what you have.
وقالوا لي عاوز التقويسه انا قلت سبت مكانكم في الدكان كل وهم وما هديت من زميلي حسيت الحاله هتجيلي وفي ناس عماله تصغر لي في كلام عماله تتريلي وانا متكعبل من جهلي شدت بال في الانبوبه ولقيت واحده بتندهلي شدت بال في الانبوبه.
right, I made it home back safely. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. But right now I'm going to take a walk with my kids, let them enjoy the snow as well. Hopefully we'll get more snow at night. And I'll bring more videos with snow, more snow. Take care, stay warm. Allah Hafiz. We'll see you tomorrow.